Miami, are you ready to transform your ride? This Black Friday, we're dropping an insane, ultra exclusive flash sale just for our local Miami customers. We're talking about two of the most sought after colors in the game, Avery Dennison Satin Black and Matte Gunmetal Gray. Imagine your car draped in that sleek, stealthy satin black or that aggressive, head-turning matte gunmetal gray. These aren't just rolls. This is a full 75 foot of premium Avery Dennison vinyl, enough to wrap your entire vehicle. And get this, for Black Friday only, each full roll is just $775. Yes, you heard that right, $775 per roll. This is a deal you won't find anywhere else. But there's a catch. This offer is strictly for our Miami customers for local pickup only. No shipping available on this insane doorbuster. And if you need help with that install, we will offer you an unbeatable exclusive installation price when you purchase these rolls from us. Get that professional finish without breaking the bank. Listen up, because this is crucial. These are first come, first served. Once these two rolls are gone, they are gone. We're talking limited stock. This is your chance to elevate your vehicle style with premium Avery Dennison vinyl wrap at an unbelievable Black Friday price. Don't miss out on this Miami car scene flash sale. So mark your calendars, set your alarms. When Black Friday hits, you need to be ready. DM us, call us, or email us to snag yours. This is not a drill. Get the ultimate car transformation this holiday season.